Chris here at Atkinson Specialist Vans. Today I'm going to preview our latest MASV styled Volkswagen Crafter. Now this one is the medium wheelbase, high roof. It's the latest 2025 model year with a lot of enhancements which I'll run you through some of the key points shortly. It's the Commerce Plus top of the range model, and it's the high engine output, the 177 PS, and it's the automatic gearbox. Now as you can see, it's finished in Indium Grey Metallic, host of extras, LED headlights, daytime running lights. It's had our full MASV style pack, so it's had the lower front splitter, gloss black detailing to the front, gloss and matte Volkswagen badging, (20-inch) gloss black velour alloys with the premium Uniroyal Rain Sport tyres. Black side steps, gloss black mirror caps, colour coded door handles. Nice little touch, the smoked side marker lens. They light up on the night when you're driving. Stand back. Now this 2025 latest model comes with, as I say, a lot of new features. City emergency braking, side wind assist, lane assist. It's got the reverse camera as well. Gloss and matte badging. And this smoked rear light clusters. And we've also colour coded the rear bumper and a nice bumper protector for protect the bumper if you're sliding any items out the rear of the van. Side loading door on their side, of course. Now bless this vehicle as it's brand new condition. Ply lining can be fitted if it's using as a work van. A lot of these vehicles are converted for the leisure market, sports van, camper, etc. Comes with a wiser deck floor as well. Solid bulkhead. Now the Crafter comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, unlimited mileage, 3 years roadside assistance. Now, in the cab area, this is the totally redesigned cabin. Apologies for the beep, it's just because I've got the ignition on, just to show you the new digital dashboard. Comfort seat, all standard. Armrest on the driver's seat and a dual bench on the passenger side. Let's climb up into the vehicle. So, digital dashboard there. It's got the new 10.3 infotainment system. Just start the engine up. There you go, stop that beep. Shut this door. Okay, so wireless Apple CarPlay as standard. This one's got the heated seats, electronic climate control. So just touch the screen. There you go. Really up to date. Probably the most advanced large van on the market today. So just touch, heated seats there. Turn your AC off. Bluetooth, DAB radio. There we go. Latest digital dashboard. Now also on these new models they have what we call a column gear change. So straightforward, you just flick it into reverse. Park sensor and reverse camera comes up on your infotainment screen. Press the end of it back into park. There we go. Cruise control, that's all standard on this Commerce Plus model. Also has an electronic handbrake now. Gives you a bit more room in between the seats, storage. USB Type C. Passenger airbag. Paddle gear shift as well. As I say, lane assist. Electric windows, mirrors. Auto headlights on this one. High beam assist. Heated windscreen. Heated seats. Really is a very high specification vehicle. Now this one will be live on our website very shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. Just climb back out the cab. There we go. Also one thing, it's now push button start, so it's keyless start as well. Wind deflectors on there as well. Really is a super looking van. I have 2 of these available. Been on order a long time. If you go into a Volkswagen van centre, probably looking at up to 12 months to order one. This one's available. Just been registered in January 25. Immediate delivery, ready to go. There we have it. 2025 Volkswagen Crafter Commerce Plus 177 high output engine, automatic, in Indium Grey. Thanks for watching. My name's Chris. Contact me on 07888 989877. Full specification on the website, but if you have any questions, please give me a call. Part exchange welcome, finance options available. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.